Hello students, in this video we will learn how to plot graph of a linear equation in two variable. So let us see what are the various steps to follow to plot graph of a linear equation in two variables. First step is we have to obtain the linear equation. Let the linear equation we have here is of the standard form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Then the second step is express y in terms of x to obtain y is equal to minus times ax plus c whole divided by b. If you solve the above equation, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 for y. This is the expression you get for y. Then the next step is to give at least two values to x and calculate the corresponding values of y from the expression in step 2. स्टेप 2 में हमें जो एक्सप्रेशन मिला है y के लिए उसमें x की एट लीस्ट टू डिफरेंट वैल्यूज़ रखकर हम y की टू डिफरेंट वैल्यूज़ कैलकुलेट करेंगे. लेट दोज वैल्यूज़ बी x1 y1 and x2 y2. If possible, we have to take integral values of x in such a way that corresponding values of y are also integers. ये सिर्फ सेक ऑफ सिंप्लिसिटी के लिए, कोई कंपल्शन नहीं है, बट अगर हम इंटीजर वैल्यूज़ ऑफ x लेते हैं तो उन्हें प्लॉट करना भी ईजी रहता है. सेम वेज अगर उनकी करस्पॉन्डिंग y वैल्यूज़ भी इंटीजर आती हैं तो उसको भी प्लॉट करना ईजी रहता है. दैट्स इट. The next step is we have to plot point x1 y1 and x2 y2 on graph paper on a suitable scale. Let's say this is our graph paper and we have to plot point x1 y1. Let this be point x1 y1 and x2 y2 is somewhere over here. Now we have plotted 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2. Then the next step to follow will be draw a line passing through points marked in step 4. स्टेप 4 में हमने जो 2 पॉइंट्स मार्क करे हैं इनसे पास होती हुई एक लाइन हमें ड्रॉ करनी है. वी हैव टू ड्रॉ अ लाइन पासिंग थ्रू these 2 points. So this is our line passing through these 2 points. The line so obtained is the graph of equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. These are the basic steps to follow to get graph of a linear equation in two variables. To draw the graph of the equation y minus x is equal to 2. So we have this equation y minus x is equal to 2. Then second step says express y in terms of x. If we express y in terms of x in this equation, we will get y is equal to x plus 2. Now the third step is give values to x and calculate corresponding values of y from expression in step 2. Step 2 के expression में हम x को different values देंगे और y की different values calculate करेंगे. At least two values of y have to be calculated for the sake of सेफ्टी कि हमें कैलकुलेशन में कोई गलती तो नहीं हुई है, उसके चेक की तरह हम 3 वैल्यूज़ निकाल लेते हैं. अगर 3 वैल्यूज़ होती हैं और उनमें से कोई भी एक गलत होती है तो कभी भी लाइन प्लॉट नहीं हो पाएगी. सो दैट इज़ जस्ट अ चेक. तो हम जब x इज़ इक्वल टू 1 पुट करेंगे हम अपनी इक्वेशन में, व्हेन वी पुट x इज़ इक्वल टू 1 इन दिस इक्वेशन वी गेट y इज़ इक्वल टू 1 प्लस 2 दैट इज़ 3. When we put x is equal to 3 in our equation, we get y is equal to 3 plus 2 that is 5, and we put x is equal to 0 over here, then we get y is equal to 2. So this table shows all the values of x and y which satisfy this linear equation. Now our next step is plotting these points 1 comma 3 the first point, 3 comma 5 is the second point, and 0 comma 2 is the third point. Now let us plot these points on the graph. First we have to plot the point 1 comma 3. So point 1 comma 3 will be lying over here. Then next point is 3 comma 5. So 3 on x axis and 5 units up 3 comma 5. Then we have 0 comma 2. So 0 on x-axis and 2 vertical. So this is 0 comma 2. The next step we have is to draw a line passing through points marked in step 4. We have marked 3 points in step 4 and we have to draw a line passing through these points. So this is the line passing through all these points. Now let us take another example. The taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer the fare is ₹8. For the subsequent distance it is ₹5 per kilometer. Taking the distance covered as x kilometer and total fare as ₹y, we have to write a linear equation for this information and then draw its graph. So first we have to write the linear equation and then draw its graph. So let us start. The total fare of ₹y for covering a distance of x kilometer will be given by what? See, for the first kilometer the fare is ₹8, so it is fixed, and if the person is the taxi is traveling x kilometer, then for every kilometer the fare is ₹5. So for x kilometers it will be 5x rupees, and for first kilometer it is 8. So the equation becomes y is equal to 8 प्लस 5 इंटू एक्स माइनस 1. एक्स माइनस 1 क्यों किया? क्योंकि टोटल x किलोमीटर ट्रैवल किया है और पहले किलोमीटर के लिए 8 रुपीज़ फिक्स है. तो अब बचे कितने किलोमीटर्स? x माइनस 1 किलोमीटर्स बचे हैं, उसमें मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे 5 रुपीज़ बिकॉज इट इज़ ₹5 पर किलोमीटर. सो इट बिकम्स y इज इक्वल टू 8 प्लस 5 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई x माइनस 1. If you simplify it, you get y is equal to fx plus 3. Let us label it as equation 1. Then next step is, first we will put x is equal to 0 in this equation and we get y is equal to 3. When we put x is equal to 1, we get y is equal to 8. When we put x is equal to minus 1, we get y is equal to minus 2. So now we have 3 points. Let us tabulate our findings, write it in tabular form. Now the 3 points we have to plot are 0, 3, 1, 8 and minus 1, minus 2. So let us plot these points. First is 0, 3. 0, 3 will be on y axis. Then 1, 8. 1, 8 will be one on x-axis and 8 on y-axis. This is 1, 8. Then minus 1, minus 2, minus 1. So we'll move towards negative x-axis and then minus 2 towards negative y-axis. Now our next step will be to join these points and get the equation, get the line joining these points. So let us join these 3 points. See, the equation of this line is 5x minus y is equal to minus 3. That is same as this y is equal to 5x plus 3. If you shuffle it, you will get the same thing. So this is the line for this equation, graph of this equation. The question is, draw the graph of the linear equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 12 and also find out at what points the graph of the equation cuts the x-axis and y-axis. So what we have to do? First we have to draw the graph. उसके लिए हमें क्या करना होगा? पहले हमें इसे एक्सप्रेस करना होगा y इज इक्वल टू वॉट, y इज इक्वल टू के फॉर्मेट में. इस इक्वेशन से हमें क्या मिलेगा? y इज इक्वल टू 12 माइनस 2x अपॉन 3 और वी कैन से x इज इक्वल टू 12 माइनस 3y अपॉन 2. ठीक है, दोनों ही चीज़ें हमें इस इक्वेशन से मिलेंगी. फर्स्ट फॉर x इज इक्वल टू 0 we get y is equal to 4. So 0, 4 lies on the graph. Another value for y is equal to 0, we get x is equal to 6. So 6, 0 also lies on the graph. See, it is always easiest way to find 2 points for x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Okay, these are the easiest points to find out for any linear equation to be plotted. For x is equal to 0, find what is the value of y, and for y is equal to 0, what is the corresponding value of x. So these are the 2 points we have. Another point we have y is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3. When you put y is equal to 2 over here, you get x is equal to 3. So 3, 2. See, x is equal to 3 है तो 3 and y is equal to 2 है तो 2, क्योंकि पहले हम x कोऑर्डिनेट लिखते हैं फिर y कोऑर्डिनेट लिखते हैं. तो this point is 3, 2. This also lies on the graph. So now we have to plot these 3 points 0, 4, 6, 0 and 3, 2. So let us plot these points. 0, 4, 0 on x-axis and 4 on y-axis. 6, 0. So 6 on x-axis and 0 on y-axis. So we don't have to move anywhere. It is a point on x-axis only. Then 3, 2. So 3 on x-axis and 2 on y-axis. So this is point 3, 2. Now next step is to join these points to get line ACB. When you join these points A, C and B, we get a line. And see what is the equation of the line written over here at the top. 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. This is from where we started. So this we have got the graph of the line 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Next we have been asked, where does this line intersect x axis and y axis. See, x axis को कहाँ कट कर रही है? At point B, 6, 0. 6, 0. देखो x एक्सिस पे क्या होता है? y कॉम्पोनेंट 0 होता है. x एक्सिस पे y कॉम्पोनेंट 0 है, तो ऑल द पॉइंट्स विद y कॉम्पोनेंट 0 आर ऑन x एक्सिस. एंड वेयर इज इट कटिंग? y एक्सिस एट a 0, 4. On y axis x component is 0, so 0, 4. These are the 2 required points which were asked. आई थिंक आपको अब समझ आ गया होगा कि किसी भी लीनियर इक्वेशन का ग्राफ कैसे प्लॉट किया जाता है. सो दैट्स इट फॉर नाउ. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.